What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm in the car because I'm gonna be doing a shop with me video and a haul. So this is really exciting because you guys know I have not been like shopping for any kind of like decor since before Christmas. I got obviously some Christmas pieces, not a lot, and I'm really excited. So I hope you guys are excited too. And don't mind this right there. Don't mind that. Don't worry about it. Hormones. Right now I'm at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna go to Homegoods. I'm gonna try and go to Homegoods. I've never been there before. I've seen videos on it on YouTube and everyone talks about it. So I should at least go in and look around. I do have a little bit of a list of some things that I wanna look for, like some spring flowers, for some kind of like kitchen or pantry sign. And then I do wanna look for some like green plants. So anyway, if you guys like these videos, hit like so I know that you guys like them so I can keep them coming, but within reason, because I do like to keep things as minimal as possible, but I want to put some new stuff throughout the house. I guess we're just gonna go ahead and head on into Hobby Lobby, and I will see you guys in there. Good thing I'm tall, you guys. $39.99. This is $40, you guys. I am not paying $40 for this. I definitely will have to bargain shop for something like this. Oh, I made one of these, you guys. I love it. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna look at some Easter stuff if you guys are into decorating for Easter or Easter party. These are really pretty. Oh, scatter and fillers. My friend Melissa, guys. Say hi. I'll put her Instagram handle right here. Yeah, I like that. Can I hang it on the door? Yeah, that's super cute. $7.99.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now.
Alright, guys, so I was just telling Melissa that I am trying to change my, not change my decor, but kind of make my style a little bit more like glam farmhouse style. So if you guys have any suggestions on how I can add some pieces of glam decor or glam that will go along with the decor that I have already, let me know in the comments. That would really help me because I want it like a little bit different, but I love my farmhouse and I'm loving like seeing other people's kind of like glam style. So can we mix that? Let me know below. Alright, you guys, I thought this table was super cute and I need a table in my hallway area downstairs. So, or like my door entry area. So it's $139, but then there is that one that's super cute, but it's not as long, and I really need something long because that hallway is so big. And this is on sale for $1.99. I don't know.
Together, it's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now.
Oh, here is the arrow that you guys kind of, well, this is like the arrow that I have that you guys asked me about, and this one is, wow, $175. Wow, I did not spend that much on my arrow. I will try and look for that arrow for you guys because I know you guys keep asking about it, the one in my laundry room. That is super cute. See, I would put that in my entryway. Oh, weird. It's like missing a shelf.
Yeah.
Maybe you can get it for like super cheap. Because you can't even notice that. I love this. I love the texture of it. Alright you guys, so I found the arrow that you guys asked me about. It's $39.99. Oh, let me set it up here. Okay, so this is it. It's $39.99. And it's still here, just not on their website. That's so cute. This is home is full of endless love and laundry. I love it. I love laundry room stuff for some reason. I don't know why.
That thing for my laundry room.
Yeah, do it though. Get some laundry room stuff. Saturday schedule. This is so me. Alright you guys, so we are at Homegoods now. So we don't have that much longer before I have to pick up Ava from preschool, so we might just be going to the store.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't do mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time.
Here is the dish mats. You guys have been asking me about mine, but I mean this isn't mine, the kind I have, but it's microfiber drying mat. They're $5.99 here, which is really good. And there's some different colors. You just put your dishes on here. They have all of these for drying. So come to Homegoods if you guys are still looking. And start with Homegoods because I only got like 1 or 2 things from Homegoods. So I am going to show you what I got from there. So, and I do want to give my input real quick because I think I told you guys at the beginning of the video that this was my first time going to any Homegoods. And I've seen videos, a couple of videos on Homegoods, and a lot of people talk about where they got their things, and it's always Homegoods. So I did like that they had a lot of like furniture options and stuff, but as far as like the decor, I wasn't really a huge fan. I feel like the store was like kind of not organized and very cluttered, and like I would find pieces that I liked throughout the store, but not like in one area or anything like that. So honestly, their prices to me weren't very good. It's kind of like a hit or miss. I mean, there were cute things there. Obviously, they had things there that I found and things like that, but it's not somewhere that I'm gonna like try and go to and spend my morning going and shopping in. Oh, and then after I show you guys what I got, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick decorate with me. So this is what I got from Homegoods. I think it's so pretty. This is kind of what I was looking for at Hobby Lobby, and it was $19.99. I did see like books. They had a lot of children's books for really great price. This is Bedtime Bible Promises, and it's just by Really Woolly, so it's like a lamb or something. And this was $4.99, and it says TJ Maxx on the tag. So $4.99, and it's like a pretty big book. So this sign that I got for our bedroom, it's about that big. It's distressed white wood, and it says forever and ever amen. And this was on sale, discounted price for $20, and it's super big. This right here, so I was definitely looking to have more green in my house. I don't know if you guys watch Emily from Mama from Scratch. That is my girl, and she has like greens throughout her house, and I really love her home decor. She's like the home decor queen. Go check her out. I was inspired to add some greens throughout our house, and this was cute in the little basket. It was $24.99, but then it was like 50 or 40% off. Okay, so this was 50% off, so it cost $12. All right, next thing I got for my entertainment center, another piece of decor. It's just like a little cube, and it says all these sweet sayings. It says be spontaneous, be happy, be adventurous, eat dessert first, enjoy the sunshine, and sing out loud. So I'm really excited to set this up, plus it is my favorite color. This was $11.99 with 50% off, so it came to $5.99. So the next thing I got, you guys, and I got this on an extra discount because it had a broken piece that I am gonna glue together. So if ever you guys find something that you like at a store and it's like damaged in any kind of way, do not be afraid to, and it's like fixable, do not be afraid to just ask them for like a discounted price. Go ahead and purchase it and fix it yourself. Home, and it has a little reef right there. The E was kind of like broken off, but I'm going to super glue it together. Anyway, it was $17.99 plus the 40 or 50% off, plus they gave me 40% off. That brought it down to $5.99. I don't know if you guys can see the color when I do decorate. I'll show you guys. But it is like a beige. It's a vase, and then inside, and it's a little bit of a distressed look. So this was $12.99. I think I got it for $7.79. And then these are the flowers that I got for it. So I have to cut these, obviously I have to cut these way down. They didn't have like, I was looking for like the medium or small bouquets. They had one left and had damaged flowers, so I wasn't gonna buy it. So each one of these were $3.99 in the floral department. Okay, so basically it is like your window shutters. It looks like this. It has 3 shelves on it. It's so super cute. They go up like this, and you can kind of put your pieces of decor right here. This was also the Spring Shop collection. It was $34.99, so I noticed the Spring Shop collection's obviously a little bit more. I got it for $20. So anyway, I am going to prepare this stuff, and I'm going to record decorating and putting them in their spots. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will go ahead and probably just throw in some music over this. And if you liked it, please give me a like, and then also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And we're gonna go ahead and just do some decorating.